We are coming to you from the beautiful newly rebuilt pier here on Hamlet City Lake in Hamlet, North Carolina, where this Saturday, June the 1st, there's going to be a lot of fun, and Mary Davis is going to tell us about it.
So right over to my left in the City Lake Circle where you can park, there will be our third installment of the City Lake pop-up markets from 9 to 2 p.m. where we will have local vendors including produce, clothing, accessories, anything you can think of. That is some sweets, absolutely. So that's from 9 to 2 in the circle. And then over to my right at the city's Lakeview property, Richmond County Operation Fix will be hosting their Paddle for Paws kayaking event from 10 to 2. So you'll be able to come out, paddle, get some good food. We'll have a food truck over to my left. They'll have a food truck over to my right. It'll be a great Sunshine Saturday.
This Saturday here in beautiful downtown Hamlet, June 1st. I am Megan Lambert, your Richmond County Tourism Director, bringing you your weekly Rockamercial, your guide to all the fun here in rocking Richmond County. And I'm joined with my favorite guest co-host, Mary Davis of Hamlet, who's going to give us more info on the happenings here in beautiful Hamlet, North Carolina, starting tonight.
So we will have our rescheduled May Yoga by the Tracks in Main Street Park beginning at 6:30, led by Miss Johnny Brigman. This is about an hour-long class out in our park, and the grass is very refreshing and everyone is welcome. On Friday night at Memorial Park, the American Legion Post 49 baseball team will have their opening game beginning at 6:30. Admission is free, but donations are welcome.
Awesome. Thank you, Mary. Also Thursday, May the 30th, Norton Farms will have their food trucks and live music. Food trucks start at 3 p.m. Live music starts at 6 p.m. and this will be with Bennett. Clark will also be there on Saturday along with the food trucks from 3 p.m. until 9 p.m. Music from 6 to 9 p.m. Tonight here in Hamlet at Axe to Grind, Music Bingo will be with Bowtie. Saturday, June the 1st, the pop-up market here in Hamlet around Hamlet City Lake starts at 9 a.m. Paddle for Paws, the fundraiser for Richmond County Operation Fix, starts at 10 a.m. The Rockingham Farmers Market will be in downtown Rockingham in the old Food King parking lot starting at 8 a.m. ending at 12 p.m. And at Glamour and Grace in Rockingham, they will have Spa Day that starts at 9 a.m. Saturday, June the 1st, both tracks will be hot. Rockingham Speedway will see the return of MB Drift. They will have the Smoke Show. This is a 2-day event. You can find out more information on the Facebook event page or see their website, mbdrift.com. Starts Saturday and ends on Sunday. Across the street at Rockingham Dragway, they will have an open test and tune. You can see more information on their Facebook event page and also on their website, rockinghamdragway.com. In Rockingham at Hippy Dippy Marketplace, they will have a workshop. This is to make spell jar jewelry sets. It starts at 4 p.m., ends at 6 p.m. See their Facebook event page, and you can also purchase your tickets to take part in the workshop. That night, Bowtie will be at Axe to Grind here in Hamlet with karaoke, and over at Double Vision, they will have DJ Roy G. Sunday will be day 2 of the Smoke Show at Rockingham Speedway, and this is an MB Drift event. And don't forget, 1 week from today, the second installment of the 2024 Rockingham Plaza Jam Series will be on the lawn of Cole Plaza featuring Chocolate Chip and Company. This is 6:30 to 8:30, and it is a free outdoor concert, guaranteed good time to be downtown Rockingham for live music. We hope to see you around town at these events. If not, we will definitely be seeing you next week.